What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about a top 5 website that is going to allow you to download games for your computer and you can play it on your PC just for free. So all this top 5 website is actually seen and actually ranking high, and you can definitely go and run the games from that website. So for that you have to go, and first website in my list is going to be Pungoggin. That's the name of the website. So you will get the genre like action games, adventure game, fighting, racing, shooting, other games like board game and so on, and strategy and all. So GTA games. Alright, so just look forward for House of Evil 2, like zombie and all. You will get the screenshot that what is the minimum requirement for your game, and this is the screenshot of that. You can click on download and it is going to go and download that one. Alright, so another website is named as fullpcgames.net. I hope you must have found this website. Alright, so if not, you know it right now. Okay, so you have to go and find out. You will get some adventurous game as well, so I will look forward for adventure game and you will get all the details about that. I mostly look forward for action games, okay, because I don't know why, but I look forward for action games, car games. So this looks interesting to me. Pre-games, I will look forward for open it up, and there you go and find out the screenshot. This looks pretty nice to me. So it's the size of 15 GB. Of course it has the graphics, so you have to go and see the all of the things which is required for this game, system requirement and so on. It also gives you the option of downloading it inside part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. And if you want full game directly, if you have a good connection, you can go and click on download and you will get full game, and you just have to download that one, extract that one, run the game, and that's about it. Another top third website is going to be Ocean of Game. If you're a gamer, you must have known this website. So it's like very old kind of website, but you know it has been there for ages now. So you can go and see the requirement of, do you have this kind of a PC like 4 gigs of RAM, and it's like very basic and all. So I believe everything is there. Just go and hit on download and there you go. Number 4 is going to be BattleKing. Now they have their own YouTube channel as well. If you don't know, yes, they do have a YouTube channel, and there you go. You can find out all of the games, like you can see like Spider-Man 2. I know everything is cracked right now, so I'm looking forward for Crisis 2. Alright, so I will go and look forward for Crisis, and this is here. I click on download and it is going to go and download. It also has like part and all, so it was going to be downloaded, but you need a good internet connection to download like games which are of GBs, and that's about it. If you have a slow connection, can't say anything about that, but it is going to take time if you have a slow internet connection. If you have 5. Number 5th is going to be Metro Resident Evil. So I was saying that if you have a slow connection, it is going to take time. If you have a faster connection, you can download it pretty much like quickly. World of Magic, is it like World of Warcraft? No, it's World of Magic. It has taken the text from World of Warcraft, I guess. Okay, so you can go and find out what game do you look forward for. Dragon Ball Z, Resident Evil 2. So I will go and click on that, Resident Evil 2. You can go and how to download and install, and you will get like system requirement. You will get the screenshot how the game looks, and you can go and download that one. So this was the top 5 games website which I recommend you to go and download that, and I'll add all this 5 website link in my description, so you can go and directly visit, or you can go and search for the name of this website. And that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.